Thank you very much, cheers, and you. Yes, here's my new phone. I've been waiting for this for ages. Been using an iPhone 6S for a long time, and I've decided to switch over to Android, which is something I've never done before. So I'm looking forward to letting you know how I get on. Hey yo guys, Marlon King here, and I'll make videos about tech and camera gear, so if that interests you, consider subscribing. Now this week I have finally upgraded my phone from the 6S to the Samsung Note 9. Now this is the first time I've ever had an Android phone, and there are three main reasons I wanted to get this phone. Firstly, it was to save money. Secondly, I wanted a big screen because my current 6S I think has a 4.7 inch screen. This one has 6.4, so it should be a considerable difference. And the third thing was I wanted to make sure that the cameras were decent, and hopefully this is going to be the case. So I'm going to make this video specifically an unboxing, and after I've used the phone for a while I'll be able to update you further and maybe do a full review of the phone. So let's crack on. Firstly, yes, I went O2, and here it is. This is nice box, and ironically they've put a picture of the stylus on the front rather than the actual phone itself. Right. Okay, we got a box within a box type scenario. There we go guys, let's see what we've got here. Okay, let's lift this up. Okay, and there is the phone. Let's pull it out, and wow, this is a huge phone. Now I decided to go for the biggest phone I could find because I felt that my screen currently was pretty small, and I thought if I just go for something in the middle, I'm never going to know whether it's the right choice or not. So go from small to big, and then if I find it too big I'll kind of know roughly where to scale down to, and that is pretty huge. Well, that looks lovely. And we've got fingerprint scanner there, two cameras, and I believe this has the adjustable aperture on the lens, and yeah, flash. Cool. And just very quick comparison. There we go. So you can see, ignore the old crack in the case. We can see there's quite a big difference there between the phone sizes. Now I don't know how well that's going to fit in my pocket. Right, and is there anything else in the box? So let's have a look. So here I've got the pin for doing the SIM card, and this is the booklets. Let's lift this up. Okay, so we've got charger. Okay, UK standard, fast charging. USB connector. Micro USB connector. Okay, that's cool. Anything else? What else have we got here? Okay, cool. So let's, don't know if you can see from there, but we've got a USB cable, headphones, and what else have we got? I'm not sure what that is, some kind of clip. They're the headphones there, and USB cable. Right, and we've got some additional earbuds inside there. Okay, right. So the big question is this going to turn on first time? %67% battery as standard. Right, one important thing that we need to cover is the stylus that comes with this phone. So if we have a look at the bottom of the phone here, we can see there's a headphone jack, the USB-C, and here we go, this is the stylus. So I'll push that in, and here we go. Oh, there's a little bit of tension there, so hopefully that means it won't fall out of the phone randomly. And it is bright yellow. So it looks like there's some kind of button there that you can click. Yep, that's turned it on from a distance. And I think, yeah, so there's actually two buttons on this. There's one at the top and one on the middle. I don't have a clue what either of them do. I will find out in due course. But I like the fact that there's tension to stop it from falling out. So let's quickly go around the phone. So we've got headphone jack, USB-C, the stylus, and that looks like speaker / microphone there. Moving on to this side, we've got one button there. I'm guessing that's a power on. At the top, looks like that's where the SIM card goes. This side we've got what I can only assume is volume and another button. And then on the back we've got the cameras, two cameras, a flash and the fingerprint sensor. And of course the Samsung logo. You can already see it's starting to pick up a lot of fingerprints just from lifting this up. So I'll be interested to know, this is meant to have an expandable memory. I wonder whether that is actually in this SIM card slot. Let's open it up and find out. Yes, just as I thought. So you've actually got two slots here. I don't know if you can see. I'm guessing one is for SIM. Yep, so it says SIM there, and then this one here is for micro SD. Now I have heard that some of the Note 9s have dual SIM. I don't know whether that is the case with this phone or whether that is a special feature on specific models. Right guys, well I hope you found that helpful, especially if you're considering purchasing this phone. I'm really happy that it's turned up and I'm looking forward to using it. I'll be able to give you more information after I've used it for a couple of weeks. If you do have any questions, give me a shout in the comments and hopefully I'll be able to answer them as I start using it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get alerted when I post new videos. Hope you have a great week, take it easy guys, and I will catch you same time next time. Peace.